Picture this. You're sipping a perfect flat white in a sun-splashed Warsaw cafe when a calm phone notification pops up an official safety alert. Heads don't whip around. Nobody panics. People glance, check, and carry on with their day. That's Poland in 2025, alert, professional, and quietly confident. It's a country that understands how to keep life moving safely, smoothly, and with a side of pierogi. If you ask, is it safe to visit? The better question is, how does Poland keep safety so natural you can still enjoy it all? Let's take the smart traveler's approach and show exactly how. First, the mood. Poland is one of Europe's most resilient countries, and it shows. Streets are spotless, public spaces cared for, trains on time, and city centers feel driven, not just pretty. Tourism isn't an afterthought here, it's a major engine of growth. Hotels, restaurants, and museums thrive as travelers spend, fueling local jobs and creativity. You'll see it in renewed markets, bold new cuisines, and festivals that draw crowds year-round. Tourism dollars aren't spare change. They're a rising tide that Poland welcomes and uses to lift its economy. Now, let's talk about alerts and why they shouldn't scare you off. Poland runs on preparation. That means clear steps, proven communication, and expert coordination behind the scenes. When an alert sounds, it's not drama. It's a system working fast to keep people informed and safe. That's what you want in a destination. A ready, clear communicating government that protects all. Policies are firm, the tone calm, letting you focus on enjoying Poland without worry. Smart travelers avoid border areas and explore Poland's central, western, and northern regions. You'll have no shortage of options. Start in Warsaw, where glass towers rise beside royal palaces and the rebuilt Old Town hums with cafe life. Explore the royal route, peek into the modern museums, and walk the Vistula boulevards at golden hour. Then head to Krakow, a fairy tale of spires and courtyards, where every stone seems to whisper history. The main square is one of Europe's best. Come for the trumpeter's call, stay for the glow and cafes. Swing west to Wroclaw, a city of bridges, islands, and whimsical gnomes hidden across cobblestone lanes. It's youthful, artsy, and sure to make you smile. Head north to Gdansk, a seaside gem of grit and amber charm. Nearby Sopot brings resort vibes with a long pier and beach promenades. Add Poznan for color and flavor, Torun for Gothic charm, and Lodz for creative reborn factories. If you want mountain air far from the eastern frontier, book a few nights in Zakopane and gaze at the Tatras. If lakes and boats call you, explore the Masurian lakes and drift between harbors under summer skies. What about day-to-day practicalities when alerts are part of the landscape? Choose your base smartly. Favor central, western, and northern cities and resorts. You'll find variety and vibrancy, layered with comfortable distance from border zones. Read the room, then read the sign. Train stations, hotels, and museums post clear guidance. Staff are used to helping visitors. You won't be the first person with questions. Use official channels. Enable location services for your phone, allow government alerts, and keep roaming on. If a message arrives, follow the instructions calmly locals do. Plan indoors plus outdoors. If you are enjoying the video so far, please remember to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. It helps us keep the fun and travel tips coming. Okay, dear friends, let's continue. Poland's culture thrives in galleries, concert halls, design fairs, historic sites, and interactive museums. Pair those with parks, riverfront walks, and botanical gardens for nature breaks that keep spirits high. Keep documents handy. Keep digital copies of your passport, insurance, and embassy contacts. It's smart anywhere. Dress practical, camera ready. Wear comfy shoes for cobbles, a light jacket for evenings, and a small bag for museum checks. Transportation, Poland shines. Intercity trains connect you quickly, comfortably, and often. Metro systems are simple, trams frequent, ride apps reliable, and signs bilingual in major cities. If you're driving, you'll appreciate modern highways, service areas with decent food, and clear rules. It's easy to plan a multi-city trip: Warsaw, Lodz, Wroclaw, Poznan, Gdansk, and finish with seaside rest. Let's talk food, because good decisions are much easier on a full stomach. Poland's culinary scene is in a mood, confident, regional, and surprisingly innovative. Yes to pierogi in a dozen fillings. Yes to zurek with that signature tang. Yes to bigos, smoky and satisfying. In the mountains, look for Osipek smoked sheep's cheese with cranberry. On the coast, go for fresh fish and crisp fries in a paper cone. In cities, chase modern bistros that remix traditions with seasonal flair. Coffee culture runs deep. Bakeries tempt with rich pastries, and ice cream lines stretch on warm nights. Your dollars do more than buy food. They sustain local farms, roasters, and small businesses. Safety culture is woven into everyday life, subtle, visible, and effective. You'll see it in skilled security staff, quick checks, and calm, efficient communication during alerts. The Polish government doesn't advertise bravado. It demonstrates competence. Systems are rehearsed. Coordination is real. The message is steady. Citizens and guests belong here, and both will be looked after. For visitors, that means confidence, freedom to enjoy art, history, and laughter, knowing safety is handled. If you want a simple backup habit, share your day's plan with your travel partner or hotel front desk. Carry a small power bank, download offline city maps, and learn a few Polish phrases. A simple Dzień dobry, good day, and dziękuję. Thank you unlock a lot of smiles, and smiles, as we all know, make trips better. So, what should your intrigue-rich itinerary look like? Warsaw by layers. Morning in Łazienki Park with peacocks, midday at a museum, espresso near Nowy Swiat, and sunset on the Vistula with performers. Krakow after dark. The trumpeter's call from St. Mary's starts an evening of jazz, lantern courtyards, and dessert hunts in Kazimierz. Wrocław's river magic. Bridge hop across the Oder, spot a dozen bronze gnomes, then climb the cathedral tower for a view that seems to ring. Gdansk Sopot drift. Amber alleys by day, seaside strolls by evening, and a slow pier walk as the Baltic turns silver. Poznan's color therapy. Colorful old town facades, signature croissants, and a food hall so good you'll skip dinner plans. Torun's Gothic glow. Gingerbread workshops meet brick red horizons, come for sunset, stay for the night photography. Łódź reimagined. Industrial cathedrals turned into design hubs, striking street art, and a film legacy you can feel. Masurian lakes unhurried. A boat, a breeze, and a map that tempts you further each day. Zakopane's Alpine Theater. Wooden villas, mountain trails, roadside smokehouses, and cable car views that hush a crowd. Through it all, you'll notice something subtle. The collective composure. Poles are warm yet modest, proud but humble, and community-minded in both modern and traditional ways. It's normal here to look out for one another on a tram, in a queue, at a festival. That spirit truly supports everything, from the alert system to transit, hotels, and late-night meals. It's what makes the country tick. And yes, your dollars matter. Every museum visit, tour, and train ride shows travelers' belief in Poland's present and future. That belief fuels jobs, restorations, culture, and countryside stays that keep family inns thriving. The economy doesn't just earn, it reinvests in better services, restored heritage, greener spaces, and new ideas. Travelers benefit from that cycle, and so do the communities they visit. It's a win-win, as straightforward as it sounds. So let's bring it back to that thumbnail. Safe to visit Poland? Here's the intrigue. Safety in Poland isn't loud. It doesn't demand your attention every minute. It's the calm backdrop that lets you feel chills in a Gothic hall, laugh under cafes, and watch sunset music. The alert on your phone? It's context, not the headline. You're the headline, raising a glass, learning a word, and snapping a photo that stays with you. Travel far from the border. Lean into the cities and coasts. Follow official guidance with the same calm you use to cross a street. Spend generously on the experiences that call to you. Those dollars are part of a larger story of renewal and creativity. Trust a government that treats readiness as a daily craft, not a quarterly slogan. Leave room in your schedule for surprises. Poland loves to add magic when you least expect it. If you come for the castles, you'll stay for the cafes. If you come for the coastline, you'll stay for the concert you stumble into on a Tuesday night. Ask about safety, and you'll leave with stories of sunsets, soups, and new friends. That's Poland during drone alerts. Quietly prepared, deeply welcoming, and absolutely worth your time. And there you have it, folks. Pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, ring the bell for more travel guides, and drop a comment below to share your own travel experiences. Until next time, happy travels, dear friends.